Household. Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys some of my lifestyle favorites. So we're going to have a little bit of fashion in here, a few Amazon faves, some things I've just been loving using in the kitchen, and just things that have been up to my quality of life in general. I'm going to take a page from Ashley Nicole and Alicia Marie, and they do this thing where it's a little bit more vlog style and casual. So instead of bringing everything here and doing a sit down video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit around my apartment. If you guys want the full apartment tour, I also have that on my channel, so you guys should definitely check that out in the cards here somewhere. But yeah, today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me and showing you guys everything I love. So I figure I'd start in the bedroom first and talk about some of the fashion stuff, because I know that's what a lot of you guys are like here for and are subscribed for. So let's start with the fashion content. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that I work with Garage every month and put together a few looks from their website for my Instagram. And guys, I'm not just saying this because I work with them. I really do think they have the perfect mix of fashionable on-trend stuff, but like really good basics you're going to have in your wardrobe for a really long time. Everything is really affordable. I have stuff from Garage from like middle school still, so I think that really does speak volume. I personally think there's a lot of things on there that look a lot like Princess Polly and Urban and all these places, but for a fraction of the cost, and plus they're a Canadian brand, which I'm always gung-ho about. Let me show you guys my best kept secret when it comes to denim. It is Garage denim. I'm not just saying this, like seriously guys, like their denim is off the hook. So let's try some stuff on. Okay, so this is the first pair I got. As you guys can tell, they're definitely not like the most body flattering just because there's a lot of fabric here, but I think that they're really trendy, and with a cute little crop sweater. I'm gonna put one on right now to show you guys. I think that this looks very, very like Hailey Bieber. I got this little knit crop sweater from Garage, and I think this is super cute, and this is so something I would wear with a pair of like Doc Martens. You can even cuff them and I think it would look really good. But I think they're really comfy, and they're definitely a really good alternative for working from home if you don't want to wear sweatpants and you want to feel a bit more put together. I think something like this is really cute. Has a little pleating here, and I got these, I actually sized up in them. I got them in a size 5 instead of a size 3. Their sizing's a little bit weird, but yeah, I think that these are super adorable. Okay, so this is the other pair I got. I already wore these on my Instagram. I pretty much wore this exact outfit on my Instagram actually, but I love, love, love these. They are definitely more oversized too. I got these in a size 5, and I just love how baggy they are. I think they would look really sick with like can you imagine this outfit just with the shoes? Put it on. Cute! Yeah, I definitely got them oversized. Like they definitely could have, I could have went maybe one size down. I mean one size down. But yeah, I really, really like these. Yeah, really, really into these. And then I also got 2 more tops from Garage I'm going to show you guys right now. Aside from that black sweater, I also got this little turtleneck, and it's cropped and I love it. I think that this is so nice, and doesn't this look, I honestly think this is something that Aritzia would sell. Like the knit is impeccable. I haven't had any pilling on it yet, which is really nice, and I got this in a size small, so very true to size. It's also quite cropped, so just be wary of that, but this is so, you guys know, this is so something I would wear. Then I got this shirt. It is just like an oversized graphic tee. Has some Chinese on it, a little dragon. I think it's really cute. And on the back, it has another pretty design of like an Asian temple. And then it says, well, Aini, which is I love you. Oh my God, my Chinese is so bad. Yeah, I think this is so dope. I got this in a medium large. There was like extra small, small, and then a medium large. So I got the medium large option because I thought it'd be cute to wear without pants to like bed or something. I don't know. But really like this. I think this is so cute. Again, looks like something you guys can get at Urban or anything else, but it was a lot less expensive. I got that. And then I showed this in my thrift haul, but I got this sweater, and I think this is such a cute sweater. This one is $3.99, and I haven't washed it yet, just because the laundry machine in our building is not great. This is a really cute sweater. I think it's a lot like stuff you see at Aritzia right now. They're doing a lot of this textured knit with the button up. Yeah, I think that this is something to definitely look out for when you're thrifting, because This is cute. Let's move on to two beauty favorites. I'm gonna just take you guys over there to the mirror and show you guys. Also, anyone who's wondering, this little wrap sweater is from Revolve, and I've been wearing it around the house non-stop, so love that as well. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys, oh my God, I hit that. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a few beauty favorites that I've been loving. I actually went onto Stylevana. I think it's like a Korean beauty website or something that ships to Canada, which those are kind of far and few between over here, so was really pumped to get this. I asked about sunscreen a while ago. You guys know I'm a big advocate for sunscreen, but I did want something that was not super white cast because I do have like a more olive, like slightly darker medium complexion, especially in the summertime. So every sunscreen was honestly pissing me off. Like I just hated that it was so hard to blend, especially with my makeup and everything. So a lot of you guys turned me on to this. This is the Pareto Centella Green Level Safe Sun Sunscreen. This is SPF 50, and you guys know Korea, in terms of skincare and everything, it's where it's at. And what I love about this, I understand why you guys like it so much. It really blends out. It literally blended out really, really quickly, unlike a lot of my other sunscreens, which weren't good for my skin tone. So really liked this. And then I was definitely influenced by TikTok, and I got this Dr. Mascara Fixer by Etude House. I got these both off of Stylevana's website. And I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me doing my mascara before I film this video. I use a lash serum. I use Grande Lash MD, I believe, and it's really amazing. But the one thing about my eyelashes, along with the rest of my hair, because I'm Asian, is I have Asian lashes that stick straight down. So something like this is really helpful. It's almost like a gel hold for the curl in your lashes. And I think it really works. I think it's really great. Honestly, if I was doing like a no makeup look, I don't even think I'd layer mascara on this at all. I think I would just put this on as I curl it. So you guys can see my lashes are still curled right now. And that's phenomenal because my lashes are very, very stubborn. So those are two beauty products I've absolutely been loving. I'm just gonna take you onto the living room and show you guys a bit of lifestyle stuff too. So I was going to move on to the other stuff, but I need to show you guys this because every single person, I swear, like so many of you, so cringy, I hate saying this, so many of you have asked me about my humidifier. Yes, my humidifier on Instagram because I can't stop talking about it. It's like the best thing that's ever happened to me. If you live in a very, very dry climate, winter's coming, if you live in a dry, radiator heated place like ours, I think this could really benefit you. This is my humidifier. My tea. This is my humidifier. It's really great. It is by Homec. It's amazing. I talk about it like all the time. I'm gonna show you guys it more so. This thing is so freaking bomb. It's not plugged in right now, but generally you plug it in, the water comes out the top, and I swear I've been seeing the health benefits like the minute I got it because our place is so incredibly dry. A lot of you guys know I have very dry eyes, not just because of LASIK. I always had them, but if you watch my LASIK story, you would know that. But I love this. I love this. I wake up, I swear, Dylan and I wake up an hour earlier. We feel such a big difference when we don't use it. Dylan has a deviated septum and his sinuses are always kind of blocked, and it's helped him sleep better. It's supposed to help your skin and have a lot of like anti-aging situations because your skin's more hydrated and stuff like that. I just cannot say enough good things about our humidifier. This one's pretty affordable and it's not ugly, which was the main thing for me. So I'm gonna link that. It's great. You can get it on Amazon, but you can also get it at a bunch of other places if you don't want to pick it up on Amazon. Let's move on to the other stuff. Okay, I'm not going to take this completely out because a lot of you I've seen already on Instagram, but this is an agility course I picked up at HomeSense. Toledo loves this. It's really, really fun. If you live in an apartment and you have to work from home and maybe, I don't know, like somehow the situation is you can't go outside if it's a rainy day and you're concerned that your dog may not get enough exercise, I think something like this is really, really cool. It also helps their like cognitive ability. So yeah, I'm gonna try to link this because I got this at HomeSense, so I know that's kind of hard to link, but I showed a little bit of it already. It's really, really cute. Now let's move on to the blender. This is definitely not for people who really cook. This is more for people who don't cook. I love this blender. I found this was actually another Instagram ad. Home Depot was selling it, but I know they sell it also at Best Buy and like a few other places. But it is just this really pretty blender. It came with a bunch of little attachments, but essentially it sits up on the top like this. It's really good for like a grab and go type of situation with a smoothie. It goes with all of our Smeg stuff, which is really, really great. So as you guys can see, we have our air fryer, our Smeg, our Nespresso. We really tried to, oh, and our Smeg toaster over here. This thing is so cute. And so far we haven't had an issue with it. I know the reviews are a little bit iffy, so that's why I want to share our experience so far. If you're not doing anything too hardcore and you don't feel like you can justify a Blend Tech or a Vitamix or anything like that, I think that this is pretty stinking cute. Okay, so another kitchen fave of mine, and if you guys have been following me on Instagram, I keep saying that. Sorry it's annoying, I know it's annoying, but I do need to show you this thing that I've been talking about all on Instagram, and it is my automatic hand soap dispenser. I'm gonna wash my hands now just to show you guys because I think it's so bomb. I know that sounds really, really funny, but I did want one that's pretty because it's gonna sit on your counter. I mean, our counter doesn't look that pretty right now because Dylan just did the dishes and stuff like that, but I really, really, really like this. So let me show you guys what it does. It is this Simple Human soap dispenser. It was literally the most expensive thing ever, but you guys encouraged me to buy it because you guys were just on the same wavelength as me. Like if you felt like you should buy one that's quality and not one that's going to constantly break on you or not like a cheap one on Amazon. So I did this instead. I will find a dupe for it because I found like something that's kind of similar but not quite. But this is completely 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it kind of effing up because of the water. I know a lot of people use these as like hand sanitizer dispensers. I'm using it as a dish soap pump because when our dishwasher broke, I found it personally really annoying to constantly pump our like broken soap dispenser. So that's what kind of started this, but this is so great. It just will save a lot of soap in the long run because it's rationed out. So this is what you do. Isn't that cute? You have to sing the alphabet twice. Don't forget that. And we're done. I love this. So that was all the kitchen stuff. And I'm going to move on to the last few things, which are more like miscellaneous. This is like not a cute corner at all, but we like to spray our plants. This is the plant mister that we have and everyone has on the internet. But if you guys haven't seen it yet, I did want to show you guys. It's generally used for, I think, hairspray and like hairstyling and stuff like that. But a lot of people just been plugging water into it. And it gives a very, very fine mist, which I love. It definitely saves you a little bit of time, and you know they're going to get a nice even mist on everything. So if you're a plant mom like me, this could be really great for you. Dylan, bless his heart, actually set over my tech favorites over here. These are my tech favorites. Okay, so this is actually not a favorite. This is something we just picked up, but if you guys are interested in starting a podcast or just need a mic, I know my sister needs a mic for school, so if some of you need a mic, maybe this is the one to get. We already have a Blue Yeti microphone, but this one, I wish I could show you guys the comparison, but this one is especially tiny. And I do use stuff like this for my voiceovers and stuff like that, so if you're interested in getting a mic, I think this is really, really cute. Like, it's so small and it will actually fit into your cabinets and all that stuff. And then the other thing I bought, this was definitely an impulse buy, but it is my Sony noise canceling headphones. So I realized there is active noise canceling and I don't remember the other one, but there's two types of noise canceling, and what we have here is active noise canceling. So these headphones play a pitch to try to drown out any hum, so like a refrigerator hum, an AC hum. It really helps it be like peace and quiet for you. And we have, you guys can hear it, we have so much construction and it's really, really, really annoying to work through it. It's just, that's the price you pay when you live in a big city. So I really love these. I've even worn them to bed, which I don't think is necessarily recommended, but sometimes the buzz of the apartment is starting to drive me a little nuts. I put these on and I'm able to zone out. I personally love active noise canceling. I know Dylan's not a huge fan, so it's something that if you have a family member or someone, you should definitely, that has these, like, or like an active noise canceling pair, you should definitely try them before buying them, because I know a lot of them are not refundable right now because of COVID. Another thing to check out, you have a hard time trying to figure out gifts for Christmas and birthdays and stuff like that. I'm trying to do it as early as possible this year, so I'm not as stressed about it. So I'll show you guys a few things that I picked up already. Actually, I'm totally kidding. This thing's for myself and one's for my dog. So I have not really done my Christmas shopping yet, but I'm hoping to soon. I actually picked up a few things that are on the way, so I will show you guys that in a future vlog. I got a few things from Indigo that are for my grandma. So I will show those things closer to Christmas. Indigo has some really cute stuff right now. Like I picked up this thing for my dog. I'm gonna wrap it up for him for Christmas, but it is this dog treat puzzle. Toledo loves puzzles. Like it's one of his favorite things to do. He already thinks it's for him. He literally knows this is for him because he knows this sound. Yeah, he loves these. They're really good for problem solving for dogs. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about them. But Indigo, look, you think it's for you. But Indigo like made a really pretty one because I find most of them have really bright colors and stuff. So this one's definitely more an aesthetic one, even though dogs I think are colorblind, so it's not like they know the difference, but I noticed the difference. And the second thing I picked up for Christmas, and I think this is a good thing to pick up for yourself before it sells out, because advent calendars, like all the good ones always sell out. So I want to finish off by showing you guys my 24 days of matcha advent calendar. So I thought this would be a fun thing to do either on my Instagram or just on the vlogs and stuff. I'm not doing Vlogmas this year, but I thought it'd be a fun way to show you guys some Christmas spirit. And I love these. So I haven't seen what types of matchas are really in here yet, but I figure I love matcha, so this made so much sense to me. So this is from David's Tea, and there's a lot of different matcha in here. There's literally gingerbread matcha. I wonder what that's gonna taste like. Okay guys, that is the end of my current lifestyle favorites slash fashion favorites and things like that. If you guys like these videos and want me to share more of the random crap that I buy or just have been obsessed with lately, let me know by leaving a comment. Also, if you guys want to see more of this, I show stuff like this all the time on my Instagram, as well as do very candid bachelorette recaps. So if you guys want any of that, that's over there. That being said guys, I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone.